We're talking about tractors, but not the giant ones you see on massive farms. We're talking about the compact and subcompact heroes of the backyard, the garden, and the small ranch. For a lot of us, owning a tractor isn't just about getting chores done faster. It's a genuine hobby. Remember getting that first big Lego set as a kid? That feeling of having all the pieces to build something amazing. That's what it feels like every time I hop on my tractor. It's this incredibly capable tool that lets you bring your vision for your property to life. Whether it's carving out a new garden bed, clearing a path through the woods, or just moving a big pile of mulch, there's a deep satisfaction in doing it yourself with your own machine. It turns work into play. And it's not just about the work, it's about the whole experience. That early morning start, the smell of fresh-cut grass or turned earth, the hum of the engine. It's a sensory experience that connects you directly to your land. You start noticing the little things. The way the ground changes after a rain, where the water pools, which trees need a little more care. You become a true steward of your own little corner of the world. It's incredibly rewarding. This hobby quickly evolves into a lifestyle. Your weekends start to look a little different. Instead of just mowing the lawn, you're planning projects. Maybe this weekend you'll finally level that bumpy spot in the yard. Next month, you're putting in a French drain. Or maybe you'll use the front-end loader to help a neighbor move some heavy planters. The tractor becomes a central part of how you manage and enjoy your property. It gives you a sense of empowerment and independence. Suddenly, tasks that seemed daunting or would have required hiring someone are completely within your reach. That big pile of firewood, moved in minutes. Those fence posts you need to set, the post hole digger attachment makes it a breeze. It saves you time, it saves you money, and honestly, it saves your back. This isn't about being lazy, it's about being smart and efficient, so you have more time to actually enjoy the space you've created. For those with a small ranch or a homestead, it's an absolute game changer. Maintaining pastures, moving hay bales, clearing brush, grading a driveway. These are daily or weekly tasks that would be nearly impossible without a tractor. It's the unsung hero that keeps everything running smoothly. It allows you to take on bigger animals, manage more land, and be more self. It's the difference between struggling to keep up and thriving. But even for a suburban homeowner with a decent-sized lot, a compact tractor can be a revelation. You start looking at your yard not just as something to maintain, but as a canvas. You can build retaining walls, create beautiful landscape features, and tackle those big DIY projects you've always dreamed of. It really expands your idea of what's possible in your own backyard. It's a tool that fosters creativity and So, if you've ever found yourself staring out at your property, thinking, I wish I could do more, maybe it's time to consider joining the club. It's a community of doers, of people who love to get their hands dirty and take pride in their work. It's more than a machine. It has a key to unlocking the full potential of your land and a whole new way to enjoy your home. Thanks so much for watching today. If you have your own tractor stories or projects you're proud of, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Do you want to forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on making the most of your property? See you in the next one.